Get strong.
Welcome back to Urban Glory. In this video, we're making a pumpkin banana smoothie. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy.
Thank you very much. And the first ingredient that we're going to put in this smoothie is the, of course, pumpkin.
So all the ingredients.
You know, we're just going to put everything at once, you know, so we can just lift up the container all together and tuck that in.
Not first, it's individual.
And this is a very easy recipe, you know, 120 seconds, that is what we're aiming for.
Yeah.
You know, put in a banana, you know,
Let's put in the banana.
and just actually tuck that in as quickly as possible. And I said, it's a very easy recipe. A cork full of vanilla, of course, yummy, you know. You can just pour it, you know, you can just pour it inside. Alright, that's enough, you know, a cork full of vanilla, along with some cinnamon. You know, we are flavoring this very delicious smoothie. You know, just a hint of cinnamon powder. Alright, that's enough. A little oatmeal, you know. Just a little oatmeal, you know, and you know, we normally make sure that, you know,
So just a spoonful or two.
our hands are very clean whenever we are doing these videos. In fact, whenever we are doing any form of food preparation, we ensure that our hands are extremely clean. Another spoonful, you know. And lastly, but in fact, we need to add some salt, you know, a teaspoon of salt, you know. And lastly, some supplementary.
Yeah,
All the
so that's good.
And just a teaspoon of the good, you can see, that's good.
I'll stick on this myself.
Alright, we're going to cover this and actually start to blend.
And we start.
And we're going to start blending. See that? That is our pumpkin smoothie. Another 10 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's our smoothie. Let us take this out and enjoy. Alright, you can actually remove the cap and actually taste it, and this is the final result of our pumpkin banana smoothie.